A disagreement with my screen capture software. That is what I'm having right now, but that's okay. Welcome back, dear viewer. I am Amalgamash. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. This is my newest episode of a devlog series that I should lovingly call Things That Should Take 5 Minutes but Instead Take 30. In this episode, I've got some things I gotta catch you up on because I recorded this already, but the footage was lost because my recording software wanted to record the wrong monitor, which had nothing going on the screen. Naturally. So that monitor has been unplugged so that doesn't happen again, not that it should have happened in the first place, and I'm going to explain to you all of the stuff that I did in your absence. So we went ahead and we said if you search these boxes that you're going to find the keycard C. And this adventure, this particular map, I may have explained before, is going to be a bit of a go here, do this, take the thing you get from that, go here, do this, take the thing you get from that. And we're going to be backtracking a lot and going between these different rooms. Not everything that you search is going to have a purpose, but I do want everything to be searchable. So I also want the player to be able to go back to things that they searched before and obtain new purposes. Like you'll search this PC right here, and it'll be like, there's nothing relevant, it's fine, there's nothing here, let's move on. But later, once you get a new item, you should be able to come back here and you'll have a completely new dialogue. Now, I don't know if that's exactly how it's going to play out, but that's kind of the plan. Anyway, you are going to get nothing from searching these. They will simply say, I searched the area, I do not find anything relevant to my current understanding or desires, because we are playing an AI of sorts, who has a very monotone, cold kind of feeling, character, voice, but you will get the key card from the boxes. The key card will allow you to open this door, which is high security only, and we still need to program that in, code that in, event that in. The event settings for the lockers are all the same, except for this locker. Searching the lockers provides you with nothing, but searching this locker, you will find something interesting in the pocket of a coat hanging in the locker, and you'll get password half. Password half is a scrap piece of paper with numbers on it. And if you check your inventory, you'll see that those numbers are 2 and 3. Next, if you use the keycard to get into this office and search this locker, you'll find the other half of the password. This is password half 2. And together, if we go to edit game data and we check the items, we see that we have 2, 3, and 9, 6. And so we are going to need to make another door. This door will be fine, just the one right here. We're going to put a password on this door. I think it's really awesome too. Very interesting that for door objects that are not yet events when you go to edit them, Smile Game Builder knows inherently that they're doors, because instead of just giving you the searchables and advanced event tabs, they also give you the doors and stairs event tab. So I think that's pretty interesting. It must be something in the GUID, or maybe it's the animation names on the object itself that cause that to trigger. I believe you get the same things if you put down a treasure chest, if I'm not mistaken. So if we go into the indoor, not that one, that one's broken. Indoor here, grab the treasure chest, put it down, and we right click on it and go to event settings. Yep, we get the traps set of events. Very interesting. What happens if we put a pot down? Nothing. Actually, yes. No. Searchables. All the stuff is search a pot, acquire money, acquire item, and pot empty. All default events. Something I've kind of known, just I've inherently known about it, but nothing I've ever called out or really paid a lot of attention to. Stuffed toy message for this one. And it's not just the native stuff, it's like the DLC as well, because we just looked at G-style doors. So anyways, we are going to make this into an advanced event, but I would like to go to events here and find the password. Find the password event. Open when the code number matches. We'll put that here. Input the code number. It needs to be 2396. I think that's what it was. What's the sound effect? No. No. I like that one. We'll use it. And we're going to change the graphic. Graphic is going to be the G style stuff. It's all one folder, one thing, but it's okay. And we're going to find it. Here it is. And now we're going to convert this to an advanced event. Awesome. Beautiful. Excellent. Input the code number. We'll change that. I need to input some kind of 4-digit code. And this character talks with ellipses like it's nobody's business. So open and opened. Yeah, this is one of the benefits of using the templated events. Puts that logic in there for you, so you don't have to worry about doing the different pages and stuff. Move that into place, rotate it, perfect. Now this guy only opens if you have a certain item. So do you already have event logic? No. The graphic is what I need. The necessary item is keycard C. And we'll use, I think, door 3 again. Yeah. And I think we're okay just to use that as is. So we're going to copy that event. We're going to come over here, delete that, paste, then come over here, delete that one, paste, rotate, rotate. Now that's done. Now we should have what we need to start our playtest. Oh, that's not good. That was set to the wrong trigger type. Let's make sure the triggers are all correct. When main hero talks, those are okay. Automatically start one time only. That's when main hero talks. Thank you. Go here. When main hero talks, thank you. Then when player makes contact with the event, no, when main hero talks. Save that and playtest. This is why we playtest. This is why playtesting is important. If you're going to mess around making games, you need to playtest them. Uh-oh. I should do that again because I don't have my stuff. I don't have my Oh wow. It's been a minute. Okay, we can playtest from the beginning. That's okay. We can do that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all the lore and stuff and make my save file as I go. It will also make sure that, you know, we're good as far as it'll make sure that we're good as far as total continuity. We have our jump, which is a fake jump, but still it's as jumpy as I can get it, okay? For now. Jumpy as I can get it. Go up the stairs, jump across. Jump across. It's just a little jump. We're just a little guy. I think I already had the menu function. Must not have. That's a really long wait on that. I'm going to change that. I'm going to shorten it up. Good that I got to discover it. Whoa, oh, we got a bug. We got a bug. That's not going to work at all. All right, cool. So we have found some bugs with the previous map, which I do not like. I do not enjoy at all. What's your deal, man? Walk at 2 spaces to the left. What the heck? What do I need to do? Do I need to... Oh no. Do I need to disable player control? Like, was I pressing a button? Oh man. And these screen brighten and darken events don't have any times. They're all 0, so that wasn't it. Okay, I'm gonna do... crap, man. Crap. I'm gonna have to test play that now. Alright, so we've got to continue our lucid dream from the beginning here. Not quite from the beginning, but from this point. I should already have that menu. I'm gonna start a new game. We're gonna start a new game. Confirm and dream. Crap. My starting point has been compromised. All right, here. Hill. Right here. Make that the start point. Save it. Playtest. I'm also failing to put new text in the top corner of the screen. But maybe I don't have to, you know? Maybe I don't have to do that anymore. Okay. So... Interesting though. I'm gonna look at me go, look at me friggin' run. I'm going to save. I think I know what's going on. It's first person, isn't it? No. That's not it. I still go where I'm supposed to go. That's really good. How did I do that? Huh. Can't replicate the bug. Oh, there goes. There's only one way to fix this. I'm gonna have to put something down on the ground that will allow me to travel back up. In the event that I jump off of any of these and don't make it back. And it's going to have to be in a place that is not... Hold on. It's going to have to be in a place that doesn't allow the player to circumvent and grab stuff without getting the jump ability. So it's going to be right here, right after this. So we're going to go ahead and grab G style, and then we'll just go ahead and grab like that right there. It's not G style. That's what I want. That's what I want. The player will now be able to run around down here, and as such, I'm going to make sure this does not collide with them. I don't want them getting like weirded out about what that is. Needs to be an automatic start thing. So back to playtesting. Weird, man, weird. I've never seen that bug before. Never. All right, we should have the ability to start back here. Yes. It happened again. Why? That is so weird. That is so weird. I'm gonna have to make it lore that it could happen. It seems to only happen also if I'm holding down start. Not start, shift. So I can fix that. I can 100% fix that. I can't really fix it, but what I can do is give our protagonist the ability to say, well, you know, if I'm jumping and I land somewhere I'm not supposed to land, I guess that could, I guess I can walk all the way around. That's what I'll do. It's not fixing the bug, but it is circumventing the ill effects of the bug. You know what I mean? Oh crap. And to that end, I also need to put some ramps down there. So, because if I accidentally jump off of this and I fall, that's gonna suck for the player, right? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna grab that, copy it. We're just gonna go ahead and paste it right here, paste it. Whoa, not the door, this fool. Copy this, paste it. Why are you still the door? What is happening? What is happening right now? Oh my gosh. All right, you know what? It's fine. I'm gonna do this, raise that up, and I'm gonna go grab the slope manually. Okay, rotate that. Now we have a slope going down there. Then if I have any more closed spaces, that's not a closed space. This is not a closed space. Player can break out that way. That's not a closed space. Everything's fine now. Right. The player falls there, they can get out. Everything's good. Everything's been circumvented. Do one more thing. We're gonna go to event settings here, and then we're gonna display dialogue. Paste that right here. If I fall, I can walk on the ice and find a way back up. There we go. Now all of that has been explained. I need to save that, but for the time being, I have everything here that I have put in. All the secrets. I'm going the wrong way, acting like I'm not even the one who made this demo. Like, very professional. Then I can go to map 2 with my saved file. Okay, and so we are gonna save. Okay. I don't have the lore stuff for this place yet. I need a little bit more furniture in this room, but you know, maybe it doesn't matter. I should put a time limit in here. I should put a time limit. That door straight up just goes and Z fights with the side of that. I should fix that for sure. Only 2 things left to do here. One is to go up here. Do we get a Z fighting door here as well? No, it's just with the ice. Why? Because the ice is... well, it's not perfectly like cubed. I could probably fix that to be... I don't want to, but I mean I could. It's whatever. Okay, production floor. Got a key card A for production floor. Gonna apologize if this view makes anybody sick. It's making me a little sick, and I'm the one controlling it. I've got one more place to go here. Okay. Okay. So I was wrong about something. I misjudged. I got key card A. For production floor. That allows me access to this area. But I'm gonna need a new key card for this. But I'm gonna go ahead and save here, because this is it's exactly where my playtest should begin in earnest, now that I have the exact variables that I need. So I'm gonna open this door, and it doesn't open. Why don't you open? This is why we playtest. This is why we playtest. So we can close that. We gotta make that door openable. Openable. We can save this now. Save our changes we made. We made some really good changes. Event settings. Open if you have an item. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. I do. Keycard A. Production floor, keycard A. Okay. So, go back to playtest. Because I've got the item. I already have the item. Yep. Love that. Keycard C. Guess oh, and that's not set up correctly. Gonna go ahead and save again. And this time I've got to, got to go and make sure that this opens when you have keycard C. What? But I did have it. What happened? What happened? I don't actually give you keycard C. That's the issue. What a noob. What a noob thing to do. It needs to be keycard B though, because we have the key to the production floor. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to work through this. I assigned keycard B to be the offices without realizing that we don't have a keycard B yet. So I created keycard B sometime in a previous episode and forgot that I never used it. So actually it needs to be keycard B. And it'll say offices, and that's fine. We can keep keycard C for what it is. We don't have to worry about changing keycard C. But we'll go ahead and make keycard B the necessary keycard to get through these 3 doors. We're so glad we're still doing everything on a really small scale. Event settings needs keycard C, and we'll go ahead and make this one need keycard C as well. So we'll just delete that. We're gonna go ahead and grab this door, copy it, and then paste it right over here. And I swear, if I get that damn ramp, there we go, that's good, that's fine. Everything's good and fine. So event settings, just need keycard B, we're all good to go. So that is this episode's development. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know, again, what you thought of the series. We're gonna be putting roofs, or ceilings rather, on all of this stuff. It also ends up being roofs since these are buildings that are separate from the overall larger building in which they have been erected for their different usages. The overall plan here is to go from point A to point B to point C to point D to point E back to point A, so you can get item F and continue in this sort of star-shaped pattern of unlocking doors, and not just grabbing an item to go unlock a door, but also combining things like passwords to get into a password-protected door like this one. And once you have done that, you should be able to, I'm going to implement that minecart mechanic that I was talking about doing a long time ago. I'm going to have more wreckage in the hallways here, and you won't be able to push past the minecart. You'll have to use an item to get it to start up and go. Having to do with the schedules, the times that they're supposed to go. They're stuck going one way, there's debris in the tracks, you'll have to make them go the other way, and so on. Then you'll be able to get into the elevator and leave. So that's the plan for the next episode. Won't be able to get to all of that in the next episode, but I will be able to get to some of it. We'll go back to the cave and dress up some of the rooms a little bit more underneath these ceilings. We'll come back to the facility, put some ceilings on the buildings here. I may even be able to allow the player to jump over onto the ceilings and run across the upper floor, perhaps to get some lore items that are on tops of the ceilings of these office buildings inside this facility. I think that would be a lot of fun to do. Give them that. They'll be able to see the sparkly shiny or the chest or whatever I put down if they switch to third-person view on top of the room. So they'll know that they have to be able to get up there somehow. So that'll be a lot of fun. Maybe I'll give them a long jump, and they'll be able to long jump from anywhere up here, which if I put a railing, I can make one of the railings broke, and that'll be the railing they can use to jump all the way across onto the office. Wouldn't really be a long jump, I don't think, just a normal jump, and they can make it because this is much lower. But anyway, enough rambling from me. That's the plan. I'm just speaking out loud, so I'll remember. Thank you for watching again. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great rest of your day, and bye for now.